Assalamu alaikum. My name is Wajid Ali Khan. I'm a tax consultant by profession, and I just started this channel at YouTube just to share my work and what with my team what we have been doing so far. Uh, right now, I'm an asset manager at Equity Jordan. It's a regular broker and registered with UK and UAE alone. And we have a Telegram group where we have a team of 7 administrators. We share our work there, and our fellow members do also participate in that group. And with mutual understanding, we enter into the market. And Alhamdulillah, we have a successful rate of 7 is to 10. 7 is to 10 means that out of 10 entries, our 7 entries hit profits. So it's totally free. You can join us. We are here to learn, gain, and achieve things. And if I can pick some buckets from the ocean, there is no problem if others can do the same thing. It's not charity, but I just feel it that okay, if I share my work and if somebody gets benefit from it, it's no harm to me. It's in a way it's a gain for me. So this channel will be posting regular updates about daily trading, and we are going to put some notes, and for beginners and for professionals we will be posting analysis from macro to micro, and each and every aspect we are going to cover it in it. There are hundreds and thousands of indicators and things like that, but we have found few strategies, very simple strategies, to look for the market price action, and that's we are going to focus on it. We are not going to throw you loads and loads of educative material, but from the strategy we are benefiting, the same strategy will be tossed to you. We are going to discuss it, we are going to lay notes on it, and if you feel, you can join us. It's all free. I repeat again, it's free.